Hello everybody, welcome to the second video of the vlog in the farm. So today, one of our harvesting days. We're actually harvesting for another farm around. Show you. So we have beetroot just harvested. We just leave it in the water for at least an hour or something before deliver it, so it stay fresh, especially in this heat. It's around 35 degrees and we have bunches of carrots. This is what remain, small and sellable for us. Make a juice tonight. And this our bunches of carrot. My wife actually harvested all. And the same thing, we leave it in the water. And here is my wife. She's harvesting the beans. This is climbing beans, but it's a long one. Warina, check this out. And how's our harvest? That we have enough?
Yes.
Warin? Yeah. Now it's the cucumber harvesting. Some are so huge. And yeah, more or less this is the sellable size. And now, tomato harvesting. It's full of different varieties of tomatoes. Tomato jungle. So this is today harvesting result: aubergine, cucumber and baby carrots, and the beetroot, and here we have the long beans and our super delicious tomato. So much types. This is the Italian way.